Starting off, you need a glass container to put your chocolate syrup in. Don't like plastic for this. And you'll also need organic sugar, cane sugar. Regular sugar will do if you don't have it, but for purposes of being natural, the cocoa and the sugar should be organic. Cocoa is a little more expensive, but it's better. A little more than half a cup of water. We need to get this up to the boiling point. Use a microwave. Do whatever methods you prefer to get that up to the point of boiling. Now, be very careful with that. It's very hot. You will burn your hands on that glass, so you got to be real careful with that. You don't want to spill either. And a quarter cup of sugar goes into the water. If you're smart, you'll use a funnel with this kind of a container. Otherwise, you see what's going to happen here. It's just a whole bunch of cleanup, so don't do it like that. Just use a funnel. And then you get your tablespoon, and you put in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I do heaping teaspoons. This is the maximum amount you're going to be able to get to dissolve in that water is 2 heaping tablespoons. You'll be just fine if you don't heap them up, but I try to go for more of a dark chocolate flavor for me. A little less sugar, a little more chocolate. So don't try to do any more than that amount of cocoa in there, and stir it up really, really good. I mean, for a minute, maybe even 2, to get it all to dissolve. You don't want it all settling to the bottom, which it may still do. Also, let it cool down, and then before you put it into the fridge. To thicken it up, if you need to thicken it up for something, add a spoonful of cornstarch. But other than that, that's it. You're ready to go. Thanks.